Imagine the crunch of ice underfoot turning into slips and sore feet before you even reach the view. That's every snowy hike nightmare. Today we're diving into the top 5 best hiking boots for snow and welcome you to the channel as we guide you to warmer, grippier steps. Stay for real gear insights and snag your perfect pair through the links in the description. The number 5 product on our list is Nextpath Hiking Snow Boot. Cold trails expose weak footwear faster than any test lab. This build answers winter hikes with warmth that settles in quickly and protection that stays put through slush and ice. Plush lining and modern insulation trap heat without the bulky feel, easing long days outside. The outsole grips frozen ground with purpose, while the lighter weight reduces leg burn on climbs. Waterproof materials and a sealed tongue block meltwater, adding relief when conditions turn messy. Quick entry hardware saves time at the trailhead and holds the ankle steady as terrain shifts. Compared with heavy rubber snow boots, it moves easier but offers less loft for deep standing snow. Ideal for hikers, commuters, and outdoor workers who face cold mornings and icy paths, it balances comfort and durability, so winter miles feel manageable again during unpredictable storms and long frozen evenings. At number 4 is Free Soldier Hiking Snow Boot. Frozen ground reveals weak footwear instantly, and that first icy step tells you everything. This design answers winter trails with focused warmth and steady grip, fitting naturally into discussions around the top 5 best hiking boots for snow. Heat spreads evenly underfoot, easing that sharp cold bite, while the fleece interior keeps feet settled during long outings. Traction stays dependable on slick paths, helping strides feel controlled instead of cautious. The lighter build reduces fatigue on extended snow walks, a welcome shift from bulky winter boots. Waterproof materials block slush and puddles, bringing relief when conditions turn messy. Compared with heavier insulated hiking boots, it moves faster but sacrifices a bit of ankle rigidity on steep climbs. This suits hikers, outdoor workers, and winter explorers who want warmth, agility, and everyday versatility. Step after step, it keeps winter manageable rather than exhausting, even when temperatures refuse to cooperate. The third one on our list is SILENTCARE Hiking Snow Boot. Winter walks fail fast when boots soak through or fight your feet with stiffness. This design steps in with sealed protection that keeps moisture out and warmth steady, making snowy paths feel far less punishing. The soft lining settles quickly around the foot, easing cold shock during early starts. A side zipper speeds up exits without wrestling frozen laces, a small relief that adds up daily. Traction stays reliable on slick sidewalks and packed trails, helping movement feel controlled rather than tense. Compared with bulky insulated hikers, it feels lighter and easier for casual treks, though it offers less structure for steep alpine climbs. This suits commuters, dog walkers, and light trail hikers who want winter footwear that blends comfort with practicality. When storms roll in and errands still call, it keeps steps calm, dry, and ready for whatever the day demands. On number 2 is ROCKMARK Hiking Snow Boot. Most winter hikes fail before the view appears because cold seeps in faster than expected. This build answers that problem with deep insulation that wraps the foot in steady warmth while still letting it breathe. The fur lining feels gentle from ankle to sole, easing pressure points during long walks. A rugged rubber outsole grips muddy paths and icy patches, helping each step feel secure instead of hesitant. Waterproof sealing blocks slush and puddles, adding relief when weather shifts suddenly. Compared with lighter snow hikers, it offers more warmth and cushioning, though it feels bulkier for fast-paced climbs. This fits hikers, walkers, and winter travelers who value comfort over speed and want dependable footing in rough conditions. When the ground turns slick and temperatures drop hard, it keeps movement relaxed and feet protected, so the journey stays enjoyable, even in harsh cold days. Now moving to the last one is WHITIN Hiking Snow Boot. Most winter boots fail in a quiet way, stiff soles, trapped feet, and cold creeping in before the trail even begins. This minimalist-inspired design takes a different path, blending natural movement with winter readiness in a way often discussed among the top 5 best hiking boots for snow. The removable sock liner eases pressure and adapts well to custom orthotics, bringing relief on longer walks. Slip-resistant rubber outsoles bite into slick ground, while the vegan leather upper keeps things lighter and more flexible than bulky snow hikers. Lacing locks the foot in place, giving steady control on uneven terrain. Compared to fully insulated snow boots, it feels more agile but offers less protection in deep slush. Ideal for winter hikers, city walkers, and travelers who value ground feel and comfort, it turns cold routes into smoother, more enjoyable journeys. Among all the winner is ROCKMARK Hiking Snow Boot. Because rugged grip, warm lining, and waterproof build keep feet steady on snowy trails. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best hiking boots for snow. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.